Hello, I'm going to show you how to upload your TELPAS documentation and your testing oaths into Formspace. First, open up Eduphoria and then go into Formspace. Go down over here to Submit New Form. Select State Assessment. The first one we're going to do is Oaths. So select Oaths and go into Central Office. Select your campus, upload your file, which is the PDF of your scanned oaths. Please put them in alphabetical order in case we need to pull one. It's easier to find that way. And then you hit Submit Form. And that'll take you to a verification window that shows that it was submitted and sent to me. The next one, Submit New Form, we need to upload our TELPAS documents. Go to Submit New Form and hit State Assessment. You're going to go over to State Assessment Documentation. Go over to Central Office and walk through the steps again. Normally, if we had more state assessments this year, we would put all of our documentation into here, but since we only have TELPAS, we only have a few to upload. So you're going to select Test Administration, which is TELPAS. Select your campus, and then go down to calibration rosters. This is the list of the teachers that you had take the calibration test. Then load your seating charts for all of your online sessions. And then you go to Submit Form. And then I am notified whenever you have submitted everything. And that's it. Thank you.